Hello friends, have a nice day to you all. Myself Prakash sir of a NEET Computer Tutorial platform congratulate you. It is an opportunity for the digestion of a very important and attractive MCQs and solutions. Learn the typical points and success your RRB, SSC, Bank PO and O-level ranking problems. Check video up to the end and energious on the topics that I have discussed here. Let us start the question. Advanced, versatile, high-speed electronic machine processing arithmetical and logical operations as well as store information called calculator, computer, projector and lactometer. The correct answer is computer. Calculator not doing the logical operation. Projector is the hardware for data projection to the large screen. Lactometer, it is used to measure ratio of milk and water. So that is why correct answer is computer. Modern computers can perform generic set of operations known as. The options are programs, hardware, animation and email. The correct answer is programs. Hardware means all type of electronic, mechanical, optical, magnetical parts of a computer. Animation means that is the dynamic movement of the object. Email means that is the electronic mail to the recipient. So that is why correct answer is programs. Computers are used in various sectors for the purpose of a dash. Increase productivity, connect you to internet, store vast amount of information, store, sort, organize and search information and all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above because all the features are there. Whenever we are using computer, we can get all these features. That means computer store vast amount of information, computer sort records, organize records, search information and increase productivity. The next question is computer store and process data in which form? Computer क्यों फॉर्म रे डाटा स्टोर करी थाए? डिजिटल फॉर्म, एनालॉग फॉर्म, both A and B and none of the above. The correct answer is none of the above because computer store and process data in the form of a binary form, that is not in digital form, not in analog form. So that is why binary form is the correct answer. So that is why here the option D is the correct answer. Question number 5. Computer is what type of a machine for storing, processing and calculating data? Computer की प्रकार machine जहाँ की data process करूची, data store करूची एवं data calculation करूची. So the options are recordable, programmable, writable, readable. The correct answer is programmable. The next question is who invented computer science? Charles Babbage, Alan Turing, Douglas Engelbart, Latham Source. The correct answer is Alan Turing because Charles Babbage, the father of a computer, Douglas Engelbart, the father of a mouse and Christopher Latham Source, the developer of a keyboard. The next question is computer is used as a vital machine by users for the regions. Computer गोटे important machine use करा होची user द्वारा कौन ता region कौन, what is the region behind it? Fast speed of a calculation, use logical rule and make decision, carry out computation accurately, portability, all of the above. These are the options. So the correct answer is all of the above because computer calculation is very speed, logical rule and it can make a decision also. Portability because the computer size is very small, so that is why it can be portable, it can be taken from one place to another place easily, just like the example of a laptop. So that is why all of the above. The answer is all of the above. The next question is 5 major functional units of a digital computers are CPU, input unit, SMPS, RAM, output unit. This is option number 1. Input unit, output unit, storage unit, This is option number 2. CPU communication interface. This is option number 3. And option number 5 is both B and C. And option number 5 is both A, B, C. So the correct answer is B and C. Because input unit, output unit, storage unit, CPU and communication interface. These are the major functional units of a digital computer. The next question is, computers execute programs, control memory, input and output devices and store information for which we consider this system as. So the options are versatile machine, advanced technology machine, brain of the computer system, heart of a computer system, none of the above. So the correct answer is brain of the computer system. Question number 10 is, it is an electrical apparatus that provides emergency power to a load within no time. During electrical interruption, the electronic part that will supply power to the computer. The alternative choice answer is SMPS, UPS, CPU, generator. The correct answer is UPS. Because SMPS is the power supply box that does not supply backup. CPU, as you know, that is the central processing part of the computer. And generator, it will generate electricity. So that is why UPS is the correct answer for this question. Device used to control the movement of the pointer or cursor on the screen called. The correct answer is both B and C. Number 1 point was keyboard, number 2 point is mouse, number 3 point is trackpad, and number D point is both A and B, and number E point is both B and C. So both B and C, mouse and trackpad, that is the correct answer. And if you think other pointing input device of a computer, that we can consider touch screen, joystick, light pen, graphic tablet. So all touch screen, joystick, light pen, these are not included in my option. So that is why both A and B, that means mouse and trackpad, that is the correct answer. Then let us come to question number 12. Hardware device that optically reads and an image and converts it to a digital form. It will read the image and convert to the digital form. Then options are scanner, barcode reader, punch card, smart card reader, and none of the above. The correct answer is scanner. Barcode reader, it can read information contained in a barcode. It is also called as a price scanner. Punch card, hold digital data, and a smart card reader, read information from a smart card. So that is why correct answer is scanner. The next question, device used to scan barcodes useful for business transactions and general use called. The options are flatbed scanner, handheld scanner, seat fed scanner, and all of the above. The correct answer is handheld scanner. Seat fed scanner, that is scanning loose sheets of paper. Flatbed scanner, scanning all elements on the document. So now according to this question, the correct answer is handheld scanner. Then the question number 14 is, computer's central communication backbone connectivity point is called. The options are PCB, motherboard, both A and B, hard disk and processor. Then the correct answer is both A and B. That means PCB, it can be called as a PCB, also it can be called as a motherboard. The next question is, three most important parts of a motherboard are. Motherboard ro तीनटा important part काहाकू कुहा जाए. Processor, memory and SMPS, this is option number 1. Memory, processor and SSD, option number 2. RAM, ROM and hard disk, that is option number 3. Memory, processor and expansion slot, this is option number 4. And option number 5 is none of the above. The correct answer is, that is option number 4, memory, processor and expansion slot. The next question is, motherboard can be referenced as a dash. Motherboard को हमें आउ को टर्म रे रेफरेंस करिबा. मेन सर्किट बोर्ड, बैक प्लेन बोर्ड, सिस्टम बोर्ड, M board, all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above, because this motherboard can be called as main circuit board, this can be called as backplane board, this can be called as a system board, and this can be called as also M board. So that is all of the above. This is the correct answer. Charles Babbage, the father of motherboard, that we should remember it. Motherboard is invented by IBM in the year of 1981. The next question is applications, script and programs that run on a computer called. Application, script और program जोटा कि कंप्यूटर में रन करू ताको कौन कहा जाए. That is called as option 1 software, hardware, translator, modulator and all of the above. The correct answer is software, because hardware, that means different electronic parts of a computer we considered as hardware, and translator, this is the software for code conversion, and a modulator, this is used for modulation and demodulation. So that is a software is the correct answer for this question. The next question is, in which year the first compiler was released? प्रथम compiler को year release करा जाइथिला. Compiler is the translator that you know from that translate high level language to low level language. So that is why option number 1 is 1951, 1958, 1957 and 1948 and none of the above. The correct answer is 1957. In 1951, first compiler created by Grace Hopper. In 1958, Steve Russell invented first interpreter, and in 1948, David Wheeler invented assembler. So that is the correct answer is 1957. This year the compiler was released. The next question is, which memory is non-volatile that belongs to primary memory group? केउ memory को आमे non-volatile बोली कहिबा. The point is about volatile and the point is about non-volatile. Volatile means the memory that lost data, that is called as volatile, and the memory that do not lose data, that is called non-volatile. The correct answer is, that is your read-only memory, because random access memory, it is the volatile memory because it will lose data after switching off the computer. Cache memory, this is called as a faster memory, and register memory, this is the smallest and fastest memory of a computer. So that is the correct answer is read-only memory, because the programs of read-only memory is already available and it will be permanent, that is not lost after switching off the computer. So that is why ROM, that we call ROM, read-only memory, is the correct answer. The next question is, which memory hold data that the CPU is currently processing? This is a very beautiful question. Data processing करथिला बेले को मेमोरी डाटा होल्ड करे? कैच मेमोरी, register memory, secondary memory and random access memory, or both A and D? The correct answer is register memory, because cache memory is such type of memory that hold data which is to be immediately executed, and random access memory hold data that the program requires for execution, and the register memory, that is the real memory that hold data during processing कला बेले डाटा register memory ही hold करा जाई थाए. So that is why the correct answer is register memory by option number 2. In this video I have described various concepts. What do you feel it? Follow its next video for more queries. There is a question for you, that is, where is the register memory located, and comment me its real answer. Subscribe, share and like our channel for next video notification.